This is the enzyme action testing catalase activity from the Biology with Vernier and the Advanced Biology with Vernier lab manuals. This is a very popular lab for general biology and is one of the required labs for AP biology. In this experiment, we will use a gas pressure sensor to measure the amount of oxygen produced when hydrogen peroxide is destroyed by an enzyme catalase. The enzyme catalase will be investigated at different concentrations. Add 3 milliliters of water to each of the 4 test tubes in your test tube rack. Similarly, add 3 milliliters of 3% hydrogen peroxide to each of the test tubes in your rack. Connect the plastic tubing to the gas pressure sensor with a gentle half turn. Place 1 drop of the enzyme solution into test tube 1. Quickly stopper the test tube, swirl gently, and connect the other end of the plastic tubing to the top of the stopper, and start data collection. When data collection is finished, take the stopper out of the top of test tube number 1. In order to find the rate of oxygen production, we need to do a linear fit to the data that were collected. To do this, click on the linear fit button on the toolbar. Record the slope of this line in your data table. We will repeat this experiment with test tubes 2, 3, and 4, adding 2 drops of enzyme to test tube 2, 3 drops to test tube 3, and 4 drops to test tube 4. With all of the data on one graph, it is very clear that the rate of oxygen production increases with the amount of enzyme catalase present. In this experiment, you will also investigate the effect of temperature and pH on the rate of oxygen production.